Okay, so we connected the lid of the jar in with the water. That's what it looks like. I'm going to start the ignition, and basically there is a tube. Let's see if we can find it. There it is. There's a tube in a jar, and what we're going to look to do is, once the engine's running, we're going to adjust the valve up here, right? This valve, the bubbler, and we're going to see if we can have a trickle of bubbles come along. So with that said, we'll walk to the car. We're going to start the ignition real quick, then put the key in the ignition. Okay, turn it on. Okay, now let's see what the bubbles look like. Hey, look at that. Okay, so with the vacuum hose, we have a lot of bubbles being created. You see that? Okay, so now, basically right now, everything is shut off. Okay, so what we can do is turn it a little. Okay, so I kind of turned the bubbler around a quarter of a turn, and you can see bubbles being created, right? Right now, again, there is no electric in this jar right now. This is strictly the vacuum, right? These bubbles are being created from air being sucked in, okay? I just wanted to point that out. Right now, we are not creating hydrogen, okay? This is just strictly testing the vacuum. And you can see, if the more we turn the bubbler, okay, the more bubbles we create. We turn the bubble completely off. Alright, there's just a trickle of bubbles coming out. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just turn the bubbler just an eighth of a turn. That's it, one little notch. Okay? And that's how we're going to run the test right now with the vacuum. Okay? We'll be back.